Was that a burp? Oh, get your head off the poopy diaper. Come here. Was that a burp? What's so funny? Say, excuse me, Mom.
No.
Did you have a big burp? Was it that funny?
Your turn.
Say, excuse me, Mom. My turn for what?
Your turn.
Did you burp?
There we go. Your turn.
Say, excuse me, Mom.
No.
That was a gross burp. I heard it.
No.
Yes, it was.
No.
Did you have gas?
No.
Did you burp?
Yeah, gas. No, gas up.
Ooh, yucky. It's all clean. You're okay.
No one over my.
You want a wet wipe?
No.
Wash your hands. Who's that right there?
Annie.
Say hi, Annie.
Hi, Annie.
She's my friend.
Mhm.
What do you love?
Mommy.
You love Mommy. Yay! What else do you love?
Millie.
You love Millie. What else do you love? What was that? Say, excuse me. What was that? Say, sorry, Mom. What else do you love?
Milo.
Milo. Do you love snacks? Yeah. Do you love snacks? What kind of snacks?
Sister.
What?
Sister.
I don't know what that is.
Sister.
How do you feel about chocolate?
I love chocolate upstairs snack.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you think chocolate is delicious?
Let me see my chips.
Who's that?
Milo.
Oh, what's that? What are you doing home today, Milo?
Because.
Is Milo sick? Does Milo have strep
Hi,
throat?
Milo.
Give him a hug. Can you give Milo a hug? Give him snuggles.
Let
Give
me.
him a... Oh.
No, me.
Oh. No, but when I was going to snuggle... Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. But I want a hug from Milo. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's funny. It's so funny.
Mommy.
What? Oh, snuggles. There's Milo. Say hi, Milo.
Hi.
Ow.
I'm sorry.
Okay, that hurt though.
You're sad.
I'm a little bit sad.